Hello again, Fuggler fans. I got the last three to finish off the collection of 5th key rings put out by Fuggler. So we got this purple Lord Longears. This is called the Hedgehog. And then we have Captain Cardiac. You'll see why. I guess these must have come from different sellers. Okay, well, Captain Cardiac, hopefully that looks like a heart to you. It does have two little legs down here. And it's got two, I don't know what they're called. The inlets, they're not valves. Ventricles? Is that one side of the heart? I don't know. But there's two protuberances here. Let's just call it that. This is hair, and then there's two protuberances up here. So, I don't know, the blood pumps in one way, it goes out the other. I'm not sure. I'm not a doctor. It's a pretty long hair, and that means it's pretty fragile, as you can see me taking some off. But you can comb the hair. Just be mindful that if you comb it, you're going to take off that material. In fact, this one actually looks okay though, the way it is. It's all generally flowing nicely. And around these tube tour things, I'm not sure if you're going to ever get that to look nice. Let's leave it alone. Okay, so be careful about breathing in this plastic or giving it to a child or a pet, because they might ingest a lot of that plastic. It's definitely a pink color, and then it's got, I would say this is more of a purple eyelid and a red eyelid, and there's some extra felt, of course. Let's just pick that away. Okay, maybe some extra thread there. And let's see what color are the eyes. I would say it's probably an reddish orange. It's kind of hard to see. The slit of the eye is so small. I don't know if you're going to be able to pick up on it. There's a little ring. Oh, you know what? It's pink. I think that's pink back there around the pupil. Is this the same color? Boy, that slit's even smaller than the last one. I don't know. I wish the slits were bigger or the pupils were smaller. Yeah, that must be thread. I cut the thread off, but look at this. They actually are different colored eyes. This is, I would say the ring on this one is more orange. Hopefully you can see that. There, that's the best I can show it. There, orangey. This one is definitely pink. Oh well, I guess it's not that important, because most of the time you're not going to see the color anyways. And deforming that felt, you might want to try to bend it back into shape there. Alright. It's well stitched though. The stitching around the hearts are pretty nice. And then we have your textured tag here. It says, well, it's got an actual date. May 12th, 2025. And then the licensing stuff here, and a copyright of 2024 here. And then we have your standard button-on hole there with the TM and Fuggler in there. And then it's just all the same long fabric here. A little nylon webbing is holding the plastic keyring on. And Fuggler is molded in on both sides, by the way. And you want to open this sideways, like this. As you can see, that stop there. I don't think you want to open it that way. You'll probably break the plastic. So Captain Cardiac, yeah. Unfortunately, at this size, it's really hard to see the valves, right? Because the hair is just so long. Maybe they should have made this with a shorter material. Then it would have looked more like a heart. Right now, it just looks like a big blob with heart eyes. Hedgehog is definitely a cool character. I assume it's supposed to be a hedgehog. Maybe a drunk hedgehog if it's a grog. Drinking grog. Alright, so this one has got the brown felt eyes and like this orange like colored eyes. Yeah, the brown felt. Alright, that's fine. A nice super soft plush velvety material here for the face. Two little buck teeth inside of its pink felt mouth. And just trying to see if I can get a different expression. And then out here we have a pretty long brown fabric, hair-like material, but same deal. Right? It kind of breaks off very easily. There actually are tiny arms right here, but it's almost hidden by the length of the material. And definitely two well-defined legs for something this round looking. And then your standard button there. Okay, the tag there. This one's July 17th. Alright. And then the Fuggler keyring again, which you want to open sideways. And then this little hang tag, 2024. Alright. I like Hedgehog Grog a lot more. Definitely cooler. I think most people will probably like Lord Longears though, because rabbits are cool. So we have a nice velvety kind of center belly area stitched in. Very long purple hair-like material out here. The purplish eyelids are hiding blue eyes, it looks like. At least on that side. What about this side? Yeah, I think you can maybe see the blue ring there. You gotta get some of this felt. This felt wears off pretty easily. Just rubbing it tends to pull material out, but sometimes you gotta do it. Unfortunately, it's really hard to see the teeth. They're so inset. There's just two little rabbit teeth, as you can see here. And the mouth is so small. Trying to manipulate it to have the teeth angled forward. That's a little better, but yeah, unfortunately there's a big piece of plastic here I'm touching, and it's so wide. This plastic is holding those two teeth. If it was narrower, you could have more room to move the teeth around, but I think it's because the mouth opening is so small. I think that's as good as I can get it. Literally jam the bottom under the teeth there. Nope, still doesn't work. Oh well. And then we have really long ears, longer than the body itself. Two pieces of felt stitched well enough together for me. The tag again, and then the button again, and then the hang keyring thing as well. Okay, so yeah, that's all fine and all. So let's show the whole collection. There's 10 in this collection. This is Sir Splodge-a-Lot, probably the weakest character here, because at this scale it's really hard to even stitch this to have arms and legs. And then it's brown with brown buttons, and the mouth is really small as well. I don't know, it's just not as interesting as a character, I would say. This is Sir Knobby Nuts, I believe it was called. At least you can see the teeth. And again, it's not as defined as the medium-sized version, but I guess they did as good as they could with something this small. Alright. The Codfather. I like it just because of the name. But this is well done, I think. The teeth are nice and visible. Maybe these eyelids are a little jacked up, but at least you can see the color of that eye a little bit. Little felt fins. Yeah, very neat. Alright, now we're getting into the good ones, I would say. So, Scaresome Square. Yeah, it's got a nice patch belly, and this one's actually a chase one, it seems, with the different colored button. But I like, you know, the separate patch and then the tongue sticking out. But unfortunately, it has the same problem. You can't get the teeth to show much because they're so inset into their mouth. So that's unfortunate. Okay. And then the Greedy Grinner. I like this one because the material is so short, right? I kind of like the shorter material ones. And this one, when you touch it, no material comes off, right? The felt eyelids, material comes off. The super plush ones, material comes off. But this short stuff, this is very much like that lint remover material. Like literally in one direction it pulls off lint, and then you clean it by going the other direction. So I think the material choices of the Greedy Grinner are probably the best. But it's a matter of aesthetics if you think it looks cooler than the other ones. And then Mr. Needles. This could be my favorite from the collection. I would say it probably is. It's just a weird character. And then Mr. Needles comes with this funky, like, hand-stitched knitting. Like, hand-knit kind of material, right? And yet they still went around the eyes and added this purple stitching. So, very cool. Yeah. Well, I think the most amount of work might be the other Lord Longears with the heart. Right? It's literally got a separate broken heart. And this one, the teeth are much better as far as the visibility. The mouth is just much bigger. Look how small this mouth is. I think these are all hand sewn. So that's why there's a lot of variation amongst the the actual pieces. So even though this might look perfect, you might order it online and it's gonna have like an appendage totally somewhere else because they're hand sewn. Like this ear is totally going off in a different direction, it seems. So, all right. So that is it for the Wave 5 of the key rings. I think they're really cool. I like that they're small. You can collect a lot of them. They're not that expensive, at least compared to some of the other garbage I buy here. So they're funny. They make me laugh. Hope you appreciate this video, and we'll see you the next time a Fuggler comes in.